Hi, this is Mark Speck. I am a systems analyst here at Community Health Network, and I'm here to show you how to use video visits through the Community app on your mobile phone. We will start by opening the Community Health Network app. We will then click on MyChart and then log in to our MyChart account. We will start by clicking on Appointments. We will then see our appointment for today. We will click on the e-check-in button. It will then ask us to verify our personal information. If you need to edit any pieces of your personal information, click the Edit button. In this case, everything is correct. We will click This information is correct and click Submit. We will then hit the white X at the top when we get the Thanks for using e-check-in. We will click on our appointment and we will click the Begin Video Visit button. We will get a prompt that says that we need to download the Video Visit app, which is also called the Extended Care app. We will click Continue so that it will take us to either the Google Play Store or the App Store for iOS. We will click Install. We are installing, and we can click on Open. We will then need to go back to our appointment page and click the Begin Video Visit button once more. It will then ask us if it is okay for the Extended Care to access photos, media, and files on your device. Please click Allow. On whether it can record video, please hit Allow. And whether it can record your audio, again, please click Allow. We will then be placed in the Community's Virtual Care Waiting Room and waiting for the physician to join. Once the physician has joined, we will then be in our video visit. Thanks again for using Community Health Network.